Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find total sales units per sentence in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document from the sales unit from the name of sales unit and percent of total. This find from the percent of total. Firstly, now select from the all sales unit. Now click with the quick analysis. Now click for the totals option. Now select for the more. Now click for the percent of total. That's it. Then I show the find total sales unit in percentage in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.